السلام علیکم. ہمارا آج کا ٹاپک ایسیز مضامین کے بارے میں ہے. انگلش لینگویج میں ہمیں پروز نثر کی شکل میں کچھ مضامین انشائی انداز میں لکھنے پڑتے ہیں تاکہ جن کے ذریعے سے ہم کسی بھی شخصیت، کسی بھی چیز، جگہ یا شخص کے بارے میں منظر نگاری کر سکتے ہیں. پہلا مضمون ہے ہمارے پاس مائی اسکول. دس از مائی اسکول. اٹس نیم از دی ایجوکیٹر سردارلی کیمپس ملکانی. It has 30 rooms. All the rooms are airy. There is a big playground in it. There are 20 teachers and 500 students in my school. All the teachers are very kind to students. The result of our school is always very good. I like my school very much. दूसरे नंबर पर है my best teacher. Ali is my best teacher. He is an MA B.Ed. He is about 40 years old. He teaches us English. He is very good teacher. He is hardworking, he is punctual, his method of teaching is very good. He always advises us to work hard. I respect him very much. Our principal and staff like him very much. My best teacher. Ali is my best friend. Ali is my best friend. He is my class fellow. It is of my age. He lives near my house. His father is a doctor. His mother is a teacher. He has one brother and two sisters. He is an intelligent student. He stands first in the class. He is a regular and punctual. He always speaks the truth. I like him very much. My favorite country. Pakistan is my favorite country. It came into being on 14th August 1947. Pakistan has 5 provinces. Pakistan is a nuclear power. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu. Pakistan is basically all agriculture country. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. I live in Fatehpur province, Punjab. I like my country very much. Pakistan is my favorite country. Little garden. We built a new house. I have a small garden in my house. I have grown flowers with beautiful colors. It is great joy to me to take care of my plants. In my rest, I sit in my garden and watch the flowers. They refresh my mind. I feel glad and happy. My house looks very beautiful for my small garden. It gives me such a good feeling. I suggest everybody to have a garden in his house. اگلا مضمون ہمارا ہے مائی ہاؤس کے بارے میں کہ میرا گھر کیسا ہے. House is a place where we are born and live. We built a new house. It has 4 rooms. There are 6 members in our family. I have a small garden in my house. I have grown flowers with beautiful colors. I daily go to morning walk in my garden. I feel glad and happy. My house looks very beautiful for my small garden. I suggest everybody to have a garden in his house. A morning walk ایک صبح کی سیر. A morning walk is the best exercise. This time is very pleasant. I go for a morning walk regularly. I go to a park. The birds are sings. The birds sing happily. I walk barefoot on the grass. Morning walk gives me health. They refresh my mind. I feel glad and happy. Morning walk is a very good exercise. It purifies my blood. I enjoy the morning walk very much. Road accident. Last Sunday, I saw a road accident. The driver of a car lost his balance. At a turn, he crashed into an electric pool. The driver was badly hurt. We helped him to come out of the car. He had received a big cut on his forehead. Soon he was carried away to hospital. The driver was the only person in the car. The car was badly smashed. This is the unhappiest incident of my life. This is also the unhappiest day of my life. A visit to any place یعنی کہ آپ کسی بھی جگہ کے بارے میں یہی مضمون زو، میوزیم یا ہاسپٹل کے بارے میں لکھ سکتے ہیں. صرف آپ نے اس جگہ کا نام چینج کر دینا ہے. یعنی کہ زو کے بارے میں آپ کو کہا جائے تو آپ نے لفظ اس میں زو استعمال کرنا ہے. اگر میوزیم کے بارے میں کہا جائے تو آپ نے میوزیم میں استعمال کرنا ہے. ہاسپٹل کے بارے میں کہا جائے تو آپ نے لفظ ہاسپٹل استعمال کرنا ہے. Visit to provide chance to enjoy life. Last Sunday the weather was very cool and pleasant. I went with my family. All the arrangements were perfect. The weather was very perfect. cool breeze was also blowing. I reached there after 2 hours. खाली जगह यानी कि आपने जिस चीज़ का नाम लिखना है उसका वो लिख दें. Was beautiful, built and maintained carefully. We saw many things there. We took rest for 20 minutes. I always like to visit. I enjoy visits very much. I never forget this visit. This is most memorable day of my life. The pet that I have, my favorite pet, यानी कि आपने कौन सा पालतू जानवर रखा हुआ है उसके बारे में ये मजमून है. आगे है जी मजमून द काऊ द गोट के बारे में है. अगला मजमून जो है वो चेयर या टेबल के बारे में है. फिर पेन के बारे में है. फिर माई बुक के बारे में है. ताकि आप किसी भी चीज़ बुक के बारे में ये मजमून बहुत अच्छा है. इट इज़ ए बुक. इट इज़ माई बुक. इट इज़ एन इंग्लिश बुक. इट इज़ मेड ऑफ पेपर्स. इट हैज़ 100 pages. It has many colorful pictures. It has a nice cover. I read it daily. It is a good book. I bought it from the बाज़ार मार्केट या आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं. Its price is 50 rupees. I keep it in my school bag. I like it very much. तो ये थे आज के मज़ामीन. अगर यही मज़ामीन आपको PDF में दरकार हैं बहवलपुर बोर्ड में इम्तिहान देने के लिए या पंजाब पाकिस्तान के किसी भी बोर्ड में इम्तिहान देने के लिए या स्कूल के एग्ज़ाम के लिए, चाहे छठी क्लास का हो, 7वीं का, 8वीं का, जो भी क्लास के मजमून हों, तो आपको अगर ये PDF में दरकार है तो कमेंट्स के सेक्शन में अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर लिख दीजिए. और अगर आप हमारे व्हाट्सएप पर रब्ता करना चाहते हैं तो 0301774541 पर रब्ता करें. आपकी हौसला अफजाई की जाएगी और आपको आसान अंदाज में बेहतरीन इंग्लिश ग्रामर आसान अंदाज में PDF की शक्ल में भेजा जाएगा ताकि आप लोगों को ग्रामर की तैयारी अच्छे तरीके से हो सके और आप ग्रामर में अच्छे नंबर हासिल कर सकें. अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.